My master, you call for me.
The dragon might not swear himself.
But you need him to break the will.
We'll force them toward it today.
Would you like me to kill him?
No, I know who kills him. And what he uses to do it.
Ah, Mat Cauthon.
What are you doing here? What makes you think that I'm stupid enough to touch it again?
You abandoned your friends for it. To accept them. To embrace them.
I'm not gonna touch it.
I think you will. That dagger. You deserve it, man. I thought surely you'd last longer than that before you touched the...
The thing is, and I've learned there's usually more than one way out of them.
What?
Guards! Go! Come here!
Wait.
Let's go!
No.
Wait, Baron! 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 Baron!
The nice name of these people.
Friends.
I hope your friends can fight.
We must get the hole to Randalthor.
I can't even open it.
Why didn't you say that?
Get the hole to run!
I remember. The heroes of the Hall
have fought by your side times beyond number. Fight with us once more.
Mat and Rand, in particular, spend a significant portion of the book traveling together, performing in inns to earn coin, dodging dark friends, and bonding as close friends in a world rapidly growing darker. Their friendship is central to Mat's arc. Even when Mat becomes increasingly affected by the dagger's influence, Rand sticks by him, refusing to give up on his friend. Mat in the eye of the world is still a boy on the brink of transformation. He begins as the funny, mischievous sidekick, but slowly starts walking a path toward a much greater destiny. His actions, for better or worse, already shape major events and hint that there's far more to him than anyone in Eamon's Field might expect. In the next chapter, Mat's character begins to truly come into his own. His personality starts to take shape in a distinctive way, and that personality ultimately shapes his fate. His temperament foreshadows his extraordinary journey ahead. In many ways, this reflects the author's creative evolution. While Robert Jordan likely had a broad outline in place from the beginning, as the writing progressed and the characters came to life, he began weaving in more nuanced traits and vivid characterization. Mat is no longer just a supporting role or a comic sidekick. He's becoming a fully realized figure with his own voice, path, and purpose. By the time the Great Hunt begins, Mat Cauthon is no longer just a mischievous village prankster. He is a young man burdened with a dangerous artifact and teetering on the edge of darkness. The dagger he stole from Shadar Logoth in Book 1 is still corrupting him, draining his energy, affecting his mind, and linking his soul to the malevolent spirit of Mordeth. This book marks the beginning of Mat's descent into shadow, but also sows the seeds of his eventual rise as one of the series' most beloved and pivotal characters. Mat's arc in The Great Hunt is initially dominated by the dagger's growing influence. He is increasingly irritable, distrustful, and aggressive, even toward his closest friends. Moiraine is unable to fully cleanse him, and Mat becomes dangerously unstable. His connection to the dagger is so strong that when it is physically separated from him, his life is immediately at risk. To save him, Mat must be taken to the Aes Sedai at the White Tower in Tar Valon. This journey becomes his main thread in the first half of the book. Accompanied by Rand and Perrin, Mat travels to Tar Valon, growing sicker by the day. Upon arrival, he undergoes a healing ritual performed by several powerful Aes Sedai, including Siuan Sanche and Vereen Mathwin. The healing severs his bond with the dagger, but not without cost. He is left physically weak and psychologically scarred. The healing is also incomplete, as part of the corruption lingers within him, creating long-term consequences. Parallel to Mat's personal struggle is the introduction of the Horn of Valere, a legendary artifact capable of summoning dead heroes of the pattern to fight in the last battle. When Thane steals the horn and Mat's dagger, it triggers a pursuit across the land. Despite still recovering, Mat insists on joining the hunt, motivated less by heroism and more by desperation to retrieve the dagger, which still tugs at his soul. He cannot rest without it. This journey leads